Hello viewers, we're leaving Brisbane and we're off to Cotton Tree this week. Welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. We're off to the beach. We're off to a magic spot where I've heard you can get the best sunset. What do you think of the sunset there, Nadia?
It's awesome.
Well, there you go. You got the stamp of approval from Nadia Komenik. She says it's awesome. Yeah, so it's the weekend. It's a public holiday for the school kids. Okay, so we're going for a bit of a walk on the beach here.
Stay awesome.
Pretty good. What have we got here? No dogs off the leash around here. And this is a great way to have a party. Have a look at this. Definitely a lot more relaxed on the Sunshine Coast for van lifers. You can park nose or tail first. You don't get any fines like you do at Byron Bay. Here we have the $59 waterfront spot right on the beach at Cotton Tree Caravan Park. Absolutely awesome. That's a great price, you know. I thought, well, you can stealth camp, but look at it. Wonderful spot. No dogs allowed, sorry. That's anyone that's a dog. Oh, sorry, you can't bring it here, but beautiful spot. I just had a bit of a trouble finding the non-powered site that I booked. Obviously, if you pay a bit more, if you've got a powered site, because the Renault Master is self-contained, I don't need that. So you just follow the map to your location. I noticed someone else had parked in someone's spot and they were arguing over that when I arrived. But that was soon settled. The map tells it all. So anyway, we're on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. And this is a wonderful spot. It's located right adjacent to Maroochydore and located right on the Maroochy River. So found the spot, back in, and nice level spot. It wasn't on the grass, it was sort of a bit gravelly, but that didn't matter. I have a grey water tank, so that sort of takes care of any water wastage and it's not going onto the ground. But if you did have something that wasn't set up like that, because you're on that like sandy bottom, you'd be right. And yeah, there's no problem. They weren't really worried about that. Make sure you subscribe. Trying to get the subscriber count up so I can make more videos. Keep you entertained. And there's no nudist swims this week. Just all sunset. We're going to be checking the sunset out, and you see when you make your mind up whether or not you think this place has the best sunset you've ever seen. So that's the Maroochy River right out the back doors of the van. Picturesque view, and look at that. Oh, naturally relaxing. Absolutely awesome sunset. It just keeps warming up, and I just couldn't believe how wonderful it was. So all the talk about these best sunsets you could ever possibly imagine at Cotton Tree really lived up to the reputation. There's the sandbags they're used there to save the actual park from erosion. A few times it's been threatened by the ocean. And it's done a wonderful job. Made a bit of a moonscape. You sort of feel like you're on another planet. And you can have long walks on the beaches. You can go fishing, you can go surfing. Plenty of things to do. Look at that sunset. Have a look at that. Could you get anything better than that? Oh, look at that sun. Woo-hoo. Ultimate sunset. Yep, it really did live up to its name. Look at the colours. There's a little island out there. You've got plenty more open beaches nearby. You can head up north to Noosa if you like. But I sort of explored around the place a bit and really enjoyed. I went and seen some mullet fishing, as you seen the other week. And yeah, Moffat Beach, and yeah, watch out for snakes. They've got snake catchers around. And just some beautiful scenery. I mean, if you like the vantage points, look at this. Hey, really, and family friendly. There's a lot of families there. But yeah, you got it mainly to yourself, really. It wasn't that packed. It wasn't like an overly crowded beach.
Awesome.
There's Channel 9 reporting on it. And there we have the beautiful sunset again. I don't want to keep raving sunset, but smash the likes up if you like the sunset, because it is pretty awesome. And if you've got any pictures, post them. Yeah, post them on my Facebook page. I'd love to see them. So anyway, it was a wonderful. I stayed there for 2 days. Obviously the Saturday, Sunday. overnight, the $59 fee. There was a nice little teepee someone had built out of the driftwood. And I just couldn't get over this sun, how it just sets and just lights everything up. That beautiful orange, it's just amazing. And your little beach out there, and there's a few rock fishermen fishing off there, and yeah, those sandbags really, with the moss on them, really light up when the afternoon sun is going down, and they just sort of glow. It's just amazing. Yeah, if you're into photography, it's probably one place you should visit and get some beautiful shots.
It's gonna be good. Here it is. I'll swing under it, just hold. Yep. Hold. Right. Right, something will come up. Go, buddy. Nice barrel.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life.